Mhm.
So if you have a bachelor's degree here, you should take a master's program. Make sure you are financially
Oh,
ready.
yes,
It's very
exactly.
important.
Mhm.
Although we have scholarships,
Mhm.
so if you are planning to apply for a student visa, again, make sure that number one, you have the capacity.
Mhm.
Number two, everything should be aligned.
Mhm.
In other countries, then you will be globally recognized. So it's a win-win situation.
Yeah, thank you. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome back to another episode of My Grade Set Go, the Ponsel Pod. I am Eugene, one of your education counselor here at Ponsel Philippines, and we are visited by the one and only Sir Gian Corpus from AIBI Higher Education.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, so basically, we're going to talk about things regarding to education and why is it a must to undertake now. So, Sir Gian, may you kindly introduce yourself in front of our viewers right now?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Gian, and I'm the student recruitment manager for the Philippines, representing AIBI Higher Education. So basically, AIBI stands for Australian Institute of Business Intelligence, and the courses that we offer are business and IT related
Mm-hmm.
or focus.
It's more on business and
IT.
IT related. So with that, sir, thank you so much for saying that. We're going to dive deeper into the context of education. So for so long, we've been receiving so many inquiries, many questions about what are the courses that our Filipino international students should undertake. So may you kindly introduce what are the in-demand courses when it comes to those specific fields that you mentioned a while ago, related to business and the IT.
Basically, I would say every courses
Yeah, sure,
that we
sir.
have. So we have a Bachelor of Business
Mm-hmm.
with specializations in AI management,
Mm-hmm.
hospitality management, and
Mm-hmm.
enterprise management. And
Mm-hmm.
then we also have a Bachelor of Cybersecurity. And then for our post grad, we have a Master of IT in
Mm-hmm.
Cybersecurity. And then we have MBA in Digital Transformation
Mm-hmm.
with specializations as well in AI management, project management, fintech,
Mm-hmm.
and business analytics.
Mm.
So we also have a Master of IT in Cybersecurity.
Based on those different criteria that you said, that you mentioned, Sir Gian, a while ago, what can you recommend to our viewers to really undertake, which possesses a faster, pathway in Australia right now?
To be honest, it depends on the interest of the student because it
Okay.
has to be aligned with their educational or work background.
Mm.
So if they have interest or they have a background in accounting, for example, for students who graduated bachelor's degree here, they can take Master of Business Ad in Digital Transformation, specialized in fintech.
Mm.
So that's a one. And then it's really important that they have, or the course and program that they would like to take in Australia is aligned with their background, professional or educational background here in the
For them
Philippines.
to enter easier and smoother inside
Yes.
Australia as well. In Australia right now, we have different schools, universities, and colleges.
Mhm.
What school would you recommend in terms of our in front of our viewers for them to enroll on that specific course related to business and IT?
Well, definitely, I would like to recommend AIBI, higher
Mm-hmm.
education. Why? Because our courses are higher education
Mm-hmm.
focused. So it means that if it's bachelor's for grade 12 students who
Mm-hmm.
graduated here in the Philippines, if they would like to apply for bachelor's, or for students who have bachelor's degree here and then they would like to apply for
Mm-hmm.
master's, it's like you are upskilling. So if you're going to take another bachelor's degree, for example, you have completed your bachelor's degree here and then
Okay.
another bachelor's degree, it's kind of like a downgrade, which is not advisable. So
Mm-hmm.
you really need to upskill.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a bachelor's degree here, you should take a master's program, which is
Which is a smart step also.
yes, because the higher the chances of their visa getting approved. And again, it still depends on their preferences.
Mm-hmm.
So for AIBI, we have campuses in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth.
Oh,
So that's
okay.
one of the things that they can consider when choosing a school, and of course, the course.
Mhm.
So it has to be aligned with their goal as well.
The more on alignment. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Sir Gian, for those words that you mentioned in front of our viewers. Sir,
Mhm.
we kept on receiving also inquiries regarding applying for, visa as well, education, enrolling in such in Australia right now. So, what can you say about, moving in Australia now, as early as now, and do not postpone it later on? What can you say to our, as a
Mhm.
tip to our viewers?
Make sure you are financially
Oh,
ready.
yes,
It's very
exactly.
important.
Mm-hmm.
Although we have scholarships,
Mm-hmm.
but you have to be financially ready because you need to pay for the tuition fee.
Mm-hmm.
Why now? Why not delay it?
Yes.
Because the policies keep on changing.
Yes, exactly.
So we don't know. Maybe in the next few days or months, they will be stricter. If they are capable, or if they have the means to
Mhm.
do it now, then do it now.
Yes, exactly. And, in behalf of the answer of Sir Kian, we're going to help you here, at Bansal Philippines so that we're able to, make your dreams come true in Australia as well. Sir, this is now the perfect opportunity to, give some words of encouragement to our viewers as the last part of our video. What can you say about them, sir?
So if you're planning to apply for a student visa, again, make sure that number one, you have the capacity.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, everything should be aligned
Mm-hmm.
in with your educational or professional background here in
Mm-hmm.
the Philippines. And for some people, they use the student visa as a pathway to a migration, but it doesn't stop there, because once you complete the program, you are globally competitive, or your qualifications will be globally recognized.
Yeah, exactly.
So, wala naman kayong talo doon. Kasi may mga students na they use this para makapunta in Australia or anywhere. And then once they get there, they change their visa.
Mm-hmm.
And what happens next, diba? So, if you're going to complete your study, again, it's a win-win naman. Whatever happens, if you want to go back here in the Philippines or use that qualification in other countries, then you will be globally recognized. So it's a win-win situation.
Yeah, thank you so much on that, Sir Gian. So you heard it right, our Bansal viewers. The three magic words are more on alignment and global recognition as well. And with that, we're going to end our interview with Sir Gian from AIBI Higher Education. Thank you so much, sir, for visiting us, the Bansal
Thank you.
Philippines. And we're going to, see you again in another episode of My Grades at Go, the Ponsel Pod. I am Eugene, and see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.